Hello everyone, hello guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to today's video. I've been away for a week and yeah, I was resting guys, and other than that I was committed over the weekend. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth and yeah, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and enjoy the rest of the content. I do homemaking. I am always in my house. I'm always in my home, guys. This is what I do in this channel. So welcome to today's video. I am just going to share with you my very rare morning routine. I don't do this every time, guys. It was winter, and to be honest, I was not even ironing this uniform. I don't want to lie, because I was just taking advantage that my daughter is always on a jersey, is always on a dry mag or on a raincoat or whatsoever the cover that she will be wearing. So I need this shirt. It was a no in winter. So now it's summer, a jersey is irrelevant. So I didn't iron. I had to wake up at 4 o'clock. I always wake up at 4 o'clock. My alarm goes on at 4, so I had to wake up and iron. It was not a lot. It's 3 shirts, 2 trousers and a skirt. We do washing or during the week, yeah, because they don't even last for a week. This is for 3 days, and on the second day she washes those 2 shirts so that they can be worn on Thursday and Friday. So I had to wake up very early in the morning and iron for her while she was bathing. So guys, as you know, I live in the village, no electricity. I am using that iron that we put on the fire. When it's hot, it's hot. When it's low, it's low. You don't adjust it anywhere, you adjust the fire instead. But yeah, I am used to it, and it's not a train smash that I'm using it. I've been using it before we can get the electricity around the community where I was living before, because these are new stand and we are not having any services, be it water I do buy, and the electricity we use what we can use at the moment. So welcome to my channel. I hope you've been good. For the whole week that I missed you guys. I was just checking on other fellow YouTubers that were posting, and where I can I would watch, and where I can I would comment. But I will always watch, guys. I do watch even if I do not comment on some of other videos, but I really do watch, I really do support. And as of now, I would like to thank you so much. For the past month, I will put the statistics of last month and the overall. I know I have shared with you how much I made, which was 400 and something, but it was not including the 2 days that was the 2 days was not included in the report. So I will share with this, I'll share a screenshot of what went on during the month of July, and the turnout is so impressive. I really appreciate you guys. So hope you enjoying the day, hope you enjoying yourself, and I hope you are good. Honestly, I don't like ironing because of the type of iron that we are using. I really do not like it, because it makes the place so hot. We are always on fire. The fire is always on, and it doesn't even iron properly. For it to iron properly, you have to damp your clothes with sprinkle them with water so that the iron could just smooth on the clothes, yeah, like your steam iron. Now I sprinkle water with my bottle there so that it can do the magic, yeah. And I've stopped folding the shirts like that. I prefer to hang them. So I don't know, but I just hang them like I am doing now, to avoid some lines, but it's the same. Hanging and doing and folding, there will always be that lines there, but I prefer to just hang them. So I hope you're still here. I hope you're subscribing. I hope you're going to watch the previous videos. And like, I missed you guys. I missed you. So yeah, summer, I don't like it. It pushes me to do things that I don't want, like ironing. Even my clothes, I don't have a lot of clothes that I iron. My clothes are wash and wear. There are very few that I will iron, especially the dresses. Jeans, I don't even bother. So last night I had laundry going on. I had to just fold it and put it there before I go to sleep. So now that it's morning, I have to remove it and put it where it belongs. Then put those things there, because really they are helping me shielding on the dirt, because it's winter and the dust is going on, like it's too much. The dust is too much out there. So yeah, I am just putting all those things there because they are washable, they are easy to handle, like handling the covers of the couch. It is difficult, like it's hard to remove them and put them on. It's a lot of work. That's why I opted for those things there, so that I can easily wash them and put them back as soon as they are dry, and which they dry very quickly. They are fleece. When I buy them, I just bought them. I don't know why I bought them, but luckily now they are working. They are of a purpose of that matter there. I think it was 5 a.m. at this time, and the water is ready on the stove. Yeah, I think it was 5 a.m. The water was ready. I had to brush my teeth and prepare myself to go out to take my child to her transport. It goes at around 5:45. Yeah, I was about to go out at that time. And fast forward, I'm about to go to work. I had to take some ginger. I don't have that raw ginger, so I had to take this because I wasn't feeling very well. I hope you're still here. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you watched the ads. I hope you subscribed. I thank you for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video, because yeah, I am about to go to work. Yeah, these marks have been going on for 2 years or 3 years. As you can see them, they are my work mugs. They are from my workplace. They gave me 4 of them, but I'm no longer using them that much. Yeah, see you guys in my next video.